Don't know if I really will ever upload this, but I found a car I've been looking for a long time. It escaped me 2 times. I missed the opportunity, and I found another one. And yeah. Guys, we're picking up something special. Something real good and special.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, pause.
Just wait.
Is it that special?
But first, we're stopping to get a pot.
Look at that Celica, man. Is that working?
Yeah. Celica.
Make sure you film the forklift.
It doesn't look like it is. It's cocked.
Yeah, ask him if we can turn the wheel off.
It's cocked. It is cocked. Yeah. Yep.
That's great.
Keep going again. One more if you can. What do you think about there? Just try it.
Yeah. Lower that side stuff.
Yeah, now he's got to go up.
It's good and straight. Just may need to lift the rear up and get the rear wheels off.
What do I feel about Jaden's purchase? Well, I'm not sure. Don't know yet. We'll have to see where it goes from here. We'll just have to see whenever we take it for a wash. That's really when I'll know how I feel about this purchase. Right now, I don't know what the hell is going on. I just know it's a nice car. And it's gonna... Nice project. That's all I have to say on the matter. I say no more. I have nothing on the subject furthermore. Thank you. And
Alright, so what were you telling me, Allison?
What?
That you were connected to your Bluetooth?
I know that.
PCB. Positive crankcase ventilation.
It's basically a catch can, but instead it burns it.
come on, the charcoal canister.
Close enough, actually. Is that a dog? Swear to God.
Oh, it is.
It's gonna be a right. It's gonna be on the right side. Can't miss it. Can't miss it. White building.
Sign. It's got an old car sitting up front.
Oh yeah, it does.
The car.
There's a dealer's name, right?
Oh, it is.
You said an FD? I did. Right here.
Swear boy.
Later.
Alright, see ya, guys.
All right. It was fun while it lasted.
We did the same thing that
Turn it around.
He said I couldn't miss it. All I saw was a fucking sign.
I know. I didn't see any building. I'm ready to see just a big old building.
They went down. You're on the Clark Kent. This is where Clark Kent is.
That's where he grew up. In Indian County. This is like we're some good old boys were raised, you know what I mean? Some good cornbread boys. They go to Alabama for football, 6'5". Fucking 290.
You own this car?
Shit.
No.
You own this car?
You on this field? I need you to step on the car.
I own the rights to this, so
I'm about to get him over here to cut your ass in half.
chainsaw massacre.
He gonna
Is
cut
he
that-
cutting the
he gonna
car
cut
in
that
half
damn
so he can
Kurt Cobain
fit
here.
in here?
Fuck Ford Ranger out there. With his hood ratchet strapped down.
My boy Shim Chom.
See that shit? Look at the hood on it.
Shim Bob.
Ratchet strapped down.
Yeah, if he catches you recording him, he's gonna kill you.
Yeah, we're catching every light.
That's a big American flag.
hotel.
Smells good around here.
I know that place is haunted. I know good and well
That place is haunted, and that's the damn.
And they got the name
Plantation.
glass right there.
There's a Supra behind us though.
Oh, that name is I ain't seen one in real yet.
I like the Z4s right now, dude. They're Supras.
That's you, love. That's you, love.
Let's go there and have a quite
Yab-
pleasant lunch.
Yabas. Let's go to
Yabas.
let's go to Yabas.
Pleasant tea.
Wacky Snack Shack.
Whoa.
I'll show you a wacky snack.
Walkie snack.
Who passed away that flags that have that?
I have no clue. It's always. It seems like every day it's at half staff. It's kind of sad.
No, it's wee wee. That's wee wee. Wee wee Paris.
Stop saying wee
That's what
wee.
it says. It says wee wee Paris.
I need to burn some leaves.
Ruin somebody's water supply.
Dude, listen, we have a tub.
Vandalism.
I'm talking about the gas and buffet train.
You mean the cess tank?
We have one tub. I got fucked.
Fuck.
You know how long this thing's been sitting? How long? Come here. 52 and a half years.
Snitches and rats. Snitches and rats. They all get wet.
I can't say it.
Body jewelry.
That's what they say on the wall. The lingerie. There's a shop right there. That's perfect spot right there for the shop.
Chop down.
What the hell is the best burgers?